In this video, we'll be going over the basics of how to wire a brushless fuel pump. With our brushless fuel pumps, each kit includes the fuel pump connector, wiring bulkhead, and brushless controller needed for installation. Unlike a traditional brushed fuel pump, a brushless fuel pump cannot be wired directly to power and ground. Proper operation requires the use of a brushless controller to manage the pump correctly. When connecting the pump to the bulkhead, connector orientation is critical for proper operation. The bulkhead retainer is designed to ensure the connector is aligned correctly so the pump pinout matches the controller output. From the controller, there are three primary wires that need to be connected: red for power, black for ground, and white for trigger input. The trigger wire is ground activated and used to switch the controller from its reduced duty cycle mode to full 100% output under increased fuel demand. This can be triggered by a Hobbs switch, ECU controlled output, or another compatible ground triggered source depending on the setup. For power and ground wiring, we recommend using a dedicated hardwire kit with 10 gauge wire and a 40 amp relay to ensure the controller receives stable voltage and current under load. Proper wiring and grounding are critical for brushless fuel pump performance, reliability, and controller operations. Learn more at dtworks.com.